Hello, dear sweet toots. Today I am whipping something delicious. Classic buttercream frosting. Perfect for cupcakes, birthday cakes, or just a spoonful of joy. Hmm. It can also be used for commercial purposes. So if you're a business person, don't worry, this recipe got you covered. Here are the ingredients needed. I have margarine, 250 gram. You can also use butter for this recipe. I also have the icing sugar, powdered form, 500 grams. Vanilla flavor or vanilla extract, anyone you have. And I also have my teaspoon for measurement, a bowl, and a spatula to mix that up. I'll start by popping the margarine into the mixing bowl and mix it for 4 minutes or until it have this creamy pale texture like soft clouds. Next, I'll sift the powdered sugar in batches into the margarine. You can mix after each sift to avoid splashing all over the place. I sifted all before mixing because I know my way around it. Hmm. The beautiful thing about sifting this powdered icing sugar into the margarine instead of pouring it directly is that it is going to help to reduce the lumps in the powdered sugar. Like some of this powdered sugar have lumps in them, which if you mix them directly, it is going to make the buttercream to have lumps in them at the end of the day if not properly mixed, or unless you are using a mixer or thereabout. But if you are working with a spatula like I am doing, you have to sift it to avoid lumps and to have a very smooth finish at the end. You can see the thickness of the mixture after adding the margarine and the icing sugar. So next I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, just a splash to bring out that rich warm flavor we all love. You can actually make use of other flavors like butterscotch, milk flavor, like any flavor of choice, pineapple flavor, any one you have, you can make use of that. Now for the perfect texture, I will also add in a teaspoon of water and mix that up. I'll continue to mix it until it's light, fluffy, smooth, and totally irresistible. Just like that, your homemade or business made buttercream is ready. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to turn on your notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. Thank you guys so much for joining me. See you in my next video. Bye.